Okay, so today is National Ceiling Fan Day, and I'm going to start off in the computer room with this unknown branded ceiling fan. Okay. Now it's time for the fan in the kitchen. It's also an unknown brand with 4 blades. Okay. And here there's a ceiling fan that's pretty much identical to the one in the computer room, except it's in better shape. The 3-speed pull cord there. That's about it. There's 2 more ceiling fans. There's one in my room and one in the living room. This is the one in my room. It's pretty much identical to the one in the computer room and the one in the master bedroom, but it's in actually a little bit better condition because we never had to fix this light cover here, and this hasn't been used that much. I normally just use a box fan or an oscillating fan, but this is here. Runs pretty good. Now for the living room fan. It's an infinite speed. It's a little different. It's on a little pole that attaches it to the roof. It's got that like semicircle thing with 2 lights and different pull chain things. It's a little different than the other one. And again, it has infinite speeds. So hopefully you enjoyed the short video about the National Ceiling Fan Day, and that's it.